Well, the net interest income for ICICI Bank has gone up a solid almost 21%, 20.8% growth when I'm looking at it year on year, nearly 5% quarter on quarter, largely in line with what we were expecting. It's coming around the 13,210 crore mark. When I'm looking at the operating profit too, largely in line, 10,300 crore was where we expected it. It's coming 10,309 crore. So ever so close to our estimates. 15.9% year on year growth, largely flat when I'm looking at it sequentially. Mind you, treasury losses at the very minimum at the moment. So clearly, in fact, they've made treasury gains of around 36 crore in this particular quarter. When I'm looking at provisions, they've come in at around 1144 crore. Now, this is where it's sharply different from what we were anticipating. In fact, the street had penciled in a number of around 1900 crore. So roughly, this has translated to a much better profitability, and PAT therefore has gone up to 6,900 crore. That's a solid 49.5% plus growth when I'm looking at the profit after tax on a year-on-year basis. A strong set of numbers in terms of the provisions and onward when I'm looking at ICICI Bank. Now, with regard to the NPAs, of course, asset quality has improved much better than anticipated. In fact, GNPAs coming in at 3.4% versus 3.6% at the end of the last quarter, which saw around a 0.2% absolute, bettering of those NPA numbers. Net NPAs too getting better by around 6 basis points. 0.7% is where that net NPA number came in. Net advances have come in at around 8,95,000 crore. So that's 21.25% better year on year, and it's a little better than what even we had penciled in. The deposits though have come in soft. They've come in slightly lower when I'm looking at it sequentially, around 1% lower. They've come in around 10,50,000 crore, but slight improvement even on the CASA front. Of course, the CASA ratio has improved largely on the back of lowering deposits, but the CASA overall has gotten slightly better. So quite a few positives across the board for ICICI Bank. We are seeing that the numbers were much better than what we had expected.